Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that APRO token. Now before start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, APRO is a data oracle protocol that provides real-world information to blockchain networks. The protocol is designed to supply data for a range of applications within the digital assets ecosystem, including those involving real-world assets RWA, artificial intelligence, prediction markets, and decentralized finance. APRO's infrastructure integrates machine learning models to assets in data validation and sourcing. APRO is integrated with over 40 blockchain networks, enabling smart contracts on these platforms to access its data. The protocol maintains more than 1,400 individual data feeds, which are used by applications for functions such as assets, pricing, settlement of prediction market contracts, and triggering specific protocol actions. The development of the APRO protocol is supported by several investment firms. These includes Polychain Capital, Franklin Templeton, and YZI Labs. These entities have provided funding to support the protocol's research, development, and ecosystem growth. APRO token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 230 million. APRO token APRO token will list on Binance Alpha Exchange. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.